Hello students, today we will solve one important question of class 10th Maths Gujarat Board. This question is important for both standard and basic maths on quadratic equation for section D, means 4 mark. The question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Find the integers. Question is from textbook and asked in June 2025. First, question માં શું આપેલું છે તો કે two consecutive positive integers. As we know that two consecutive positive integers are 2 3 3 4 4 5 means if we let one positive integer as x then other will be x plus 1 means next to the first one. So we are starting with the first one. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Then, according to the condition given in the question, what is the condition? The product of these two numbers is 306. So, the numbers are x and x plus 1. So, their product is 306. Now simplify. હવે આપણે આને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરશું. x મલ્ટીપ્લાય વિથ x તો x સ્ક્વેર, x મલ્ટીપ્લાય વિથ 1 1x. આપણે 1x એ લખી શકીએ, x એ લખી શકીએ ઇક્વલ ટુ 306. 306 ઇક્વલ ટુ ની આ સાઈડ છે, આ સાઈડ શિફ્ટ કરીએ મીન્સ x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation. As we know that the formation of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. This quadratic equation can be solved by two methods. First one factorization and second one quadratic formula. We are starting with the first one, factorization method. Now factorize means splitting the middle term. Here middle term is 1. So 18 minus 17 is 1 and 18 into 17 is 306. So splitting the middle term means 1. 18 minus 17. Now our quadratic equation is x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306. હવે શું કરશું તો કે ફર્સ્ટ ટુ ટર્મ્સ છે એમાંથી કોમન લઈ લેશું x. ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મમાં x સ્ક્વેર માંથી x કોમન, x બચશે 18x માંથી x કોમન 18 બચશે. નેક્સ્ટ ટુ ટર્મ્સ માંથી -17 કોમન, સો x plus 18 which is equal to 0. હવે જે બે ટર્મ છે એમાંથી x plus 18 common means x minus 17 remaining. Here the product of two terms is 0 means either one of them is 0. X plus 18 is equal to 0 or x minus 17 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 18 or x is equal to 17. But the question is find two positive integers. But here minus 18 is not a positive integer. Actually minus 18 is an integer but negative integer. Therefore our answer is x is equal to 17. So next positive integer or consecutive integer is x plus 1 means 17 plus 1 18. Here x is equal to 17 and x plus 1 is 18. Therefore the required integers are 17 and 18. This is our final answer. 17 and 18 are two consecutive positive integers and their product is 306. This is factorization method. If students want to try quadratic formula, then another method for solving this quadratic equation is quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? So okay, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If we compare our given quadratic equation x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is standard form of the quadratic equation. So we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 306. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now put the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 306 in the given equation. So we will get minus 1 plus or minus root 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 306 upon 2 into 1. Simplify. Minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1, minus minus plus 4 into 306 1224 means 1224 divided by 2 into 1 2. Minus 1 plus or minus square root માં શું given છે તો કે 1 plus 1224 total શું થશે 1225. Now what is the square root of 1225? આપણને 8th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ માં એવું હતું કે સ્ક્વેર એન્ડ સ્ક્વેર રૂટ એક ટેકનિક છે કે લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ 25 હોય તો આપણે શું કરશું 5 લેશું બરાબર છે લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ એન્ડ પ્રીવિયસ વન ફર્સ્ટ ટુ ડિજિટ 12 તો કે 12 જે છે એ કયા ટુ કન્ઝિક્યુટિવ નંબરનો પ્રોડક્ટ છે તો કે 3 4 છે એમાંથી સ્મોલર ડિજિટ આપણે ચૂઝ કરશું 3. So the square root of 1225 is 35 or you can find by any other method. Now simplify this. Minus 1 plus 35 by 2 or minus 1 minus 35 by 2. Minus 1 plus 35 means 34 by 2 or minus 1 minus 35 by 2 means minus 36 by 2. 34 by 2 17 or minus 36 by 2 minus 18. But the question is find positive integers. So but minus 18 is not a positive integer. Therefore x is equal to 17. If x is 17, then next consecutive positive integer is x plus 1 means 17 plus 1 18. So the required integers are 17 and 18. There are two methods to solve any quadratic equation: factorization and quadratic formula. In examination, you have to attempt by any one of these two method. એક્ઝામમાં તમારે આ બેમાંથી કોઈ બી એક જ મેથડ ચૂઝ કરવાની રહેશે. તમને જે સારી લાગે.